Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by turning on your phone's mobile hotspot. This is the direct link to the cellular network. First, make sure your plan includes tethering and enable the hotspot toggle in Settings, Android or iPhone, because without that permission, the laptop can't get internet. Once done, set a strong password and note the SSID. You will use it on the laptop. Make sure the phone stays near the laptop to avoid signal drop, and plug the phone in for stable power during setup. You now connect the laptop to the hotspot SSID, click the Wi-Fi icon, pick the network, and enter the password. This authenticates you to the carrier's Airlink. Next, choose a private network profile so sharing and firewall rules remain appropriate for tethering. Then, open Network Settings. Disable any metered connection flags if you want unthrottled downloads, and set the adapter not to sleep to avoid disconnections. Finally, test by loading a simple page. You finish by confirming stable access and protecting data. Monitor usage in the phone settings and enable low data mode if you have a cap, because tethering can consume a lot quickly. If something goes wrong, restart the phone and laptop, then reconnect. That clears most IP or DHCP hiccups. If the hotspot still won't provide internet, try USB tethering for a direct modem link or contact your carrier. Sometimes plans block hotspot traffic, and they can change your plan or enable the feature for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.